Gatpati district of Odisha. With an area of 3,850 square kilometers, considering the geographical situation of the district, almost 60% of the district is covered with hills and forests. The main economy of this district is forest products and agriculture. According to the 2011 census, the total population of this district is 5,07,817. Out of that, 54.9% of the total population belongs to scheduled tribe community while 6.78% is scheduled caste. Ardagiri is a block in this district. Most of the villages under this block are inhabited by tribes belonging to the primitive Sora community. These tribes are very weak in socio-economic field. They mainly depended on forest and agriculture for their livelihood. But over time, deforestation and government restrictions shook their financial backbone. Again, due to climate change, irregular rainfall has hampered crop production. As a result, many families had to migrate to other states as laborers in search of livelihood. In order to transform their socio-economic status and bring them into the mainstream of society, a scheme of stream water project has been launched by the voluntary organization Isara. Azmi Premji Foundation extended financial support for this project.
आदिम प्रेमजी फाउंडेशन यही अंचल कृषिभित्तिक जीविका निर्वाह विकास करने गोटे प्रोजेक्ट सपोर्ट कला बर्तमान 1 ईयर गोटे वर्ष है प्रोजेक्ट चली निकटस्थ पहाड़ पानी आसूँ जमी पानी पाइप पानी अणा लोक मैंने श्रमदान कर गात खोलिया पूरा से सपोर्ट कर एसएसएस लोक दिखाई बर्तमान प्राय अधिकांश समय पानी व्यवस्था कराई पानी व्यवस्था कर वर्ष से विभिन्न प्रकार पनीपरिया चाष कर उपकृत हो।
Before the program started, a survey was conducted by volunteers of Isara. The volunteers went door to door and find out various problems. In the next phase, the volunteers discussed with the villagers and prepared plans on how to solve their problems. They advised women to form self-help groups and solve their own problems. The next step of Isara was the formation of village development committees or VDCs in villages. VDCs were formed under the supervision of volunteers and decisions were taken to solve various problems. Another decision of the VDC meeting was to select economically weaker sections as beneficiaries and recommend their names for assistance.
एक गांव बांधी की एबे 45 वर्ष होती बड़ सुविधार पहुँचलु नाड़े नदी में पानी आनी की खाइलु अर्ध घंटा घंटारी रास्ता पानी की जाइलु ये नाड़ तिला आड़कू राबड़ा पानी आ गुड़िया पानी जतराड़ी पेइलु इसारा संस्था आइबारु एबे बलर बंचुछु।
Later, social and resource maps were prepared in the villages by incorporating the participatory rural appraisal tool. With the help of this map, the development plan was prepared based on the location of the area. It was discussed in detail how the existing natural resources can be properly invested and upgraded. Apart from this, seasonal farming or crop planning was done.
हमें पार्टिसिपेटरी रूरल अप्रेजल जो टूल्स अच्छे से हमें विभिन्न प्रकार जथा कि सामाजिक मानचित्र संबल मानचित्र द्वारा लोक मानक अवगत कराउछि जे तांकर सामाजिक परिस्थिति वर्तमान केमती अछि एवं संबल मानचित्र द्वारा गाँव लैंड आउ वाटर विषय से बुझाउछु।
The main problem of all these areas was drinking water. That is why women had to go far. They used to go to nearby small rivers for drinking water. They used to bring water from there to fulfill their daily water requirement.
आगरू तो पानी अर्ध घंटा रास्ता आणलु बेसी असुविधा रही इसारा संस्थार सुविधा गला आमको एमर बारपटे पानी अच्छे से नहीं खाऊचु पीऊचु चलुचु गाधुचु सब करुचु।
All these areas had natural water resources. But those water resources were not used by the people. It was decided to invest this type of natural water resources properly. Efforts were made to bring these water resources to nearby villages and farmland through diversion-based irrigation system or DBI.
Diversion-based irrigation (DBI) आरंभ करने पूर्व टेक्नोफिजिकल स्टडी कराऊँ टेक्नोफिजिकल स्टडी रे वाटर रो फ्लोइंग वेलोसिटी मेजरमेंट कराऊँ सहित टोटल लेंथ केते मेजरमेंट आमर कराऊँ टोटल तापर एस्टिमेट कराऊँ एस्टिमेट कॉस्ट अनुसार बेनिफिशियरी को माने आइडेंटिफाई कराऊँ केते बेनिफिशियरी और केते एकर पानी मारी पारिबो।
Water tanks were built in each village. From there, water was supplied to every house.
बिल को जाऊे ओवरफ्लोटा जमी को जाऊे आठ पुणी आम गाँव में जार जार बायोकान अच्छी से लेट्रिन यूज होपर पीवा पानी सा यूज हो।
The villagers were benefited by the provision of drinking water to all the houses. The villagers could use this water for other purposes as well. Most importantly, this water supply made the government's Swachh Bharat Abhijan 100% successful.
इसारा संस्था थ्रू लैट्रिन बाथरूम सुविधा गला।
Another initiative of ISARA was to supply water to agricultural lands. To facilitate this water supply, many chambers were built inside the farm. As a result, all the farm lands could be irrigated properly. Due to this, the beneficiaries could cultivate more and more paddy.
जमी आमर अधे एकर सर और अधे एकर आम धान चाष करूँ 15 फुटी बाहर थिला पानी आसवा तो आम धान 30 फुटी 15 फुटी थिला किंतु वर्तमान 30 फुटी आम आदाय कलु पुणी 15 फुटी आम खाइलु और 10 फुटी एमती बिकिलु।
Another initiative of ISARA was to promote the beneficiaries for vegetable cultivation. As a result, the beneficiaries were able to profit by cultivating various types of vegetables on a commercial basis.
जगह प्राय 10 सेंट हम आगुरी पड़े थिला इसारा संस्थार टे सार मैंने साहाଯ୍ୟ सहयोग कलारू एबे पानी आसछि जद्वारा कि आम पनीपरिया लगे पार्छु आ किछि पैसा रोजगार भी करूछु परिवार रो परिपोषण भी करूछु।
Another initiative of ISARA for irrigation was the construction of farm ponds. This allowed the water to be stored. These farms were irrigated and many types of crops could be produced.
ISARA रो अभिमन्यु भाई नासी कहले सर टी बंद कुड़िया आम राजी हेलु पुलिस सभा पास है पानी अच्छी सर किंतु कम अच्छी ए बंदर पानी नहीं कि आम वर्तमान चाष करूँ।
Manrega Yojana of the government is implemented through the Pallis Bha to invest properly. As a result, the farmers could benefit.
आमे देखिलु किंतु चाष बासर सुविधा हो पारना पानी रो अभाव है वर्तमान गाँ मीटिंग करिकी रेगुलेशन प्रस्तुत करिकी आमे सरकार को जनइलु वर्तमान एनआरजीएस तरफ आ बंद टी खुलाला।
Another initiative was to suggest mixed farming to the beneficiaries. As a result, the beneficiaries could get more profit. Improvised indigenous seeds were provided to the beneficiaries for horticulture. As a result, the beneficiaries could benefit. Besides, the beneficiaries can again collect suitable seeds from the vegetable and keep it for next year. Efforts were made by ISARA to provide nutritious food to the beneficiaries. That is why the beneficiaries were encouraged to have a kitchen garden at the back of their house. Beneficiaries started growing different types of vegetables in this kitchen garden in their family in their free time. They could irrigate the garden by fetching water from the pipe given to them.
पानी आई नथिला जे आमे से बिना पानी रे पके सेटा फसल करथिलु फसल भल होनथिला इसारा आसवारु एबे पानी टिके दउछति बोली आमे ये बगीचाटा करछु मंजी साग देइछति तापर मूला भेंडी देइछति सेटा रुआइनी।
Another initiative of ISARA to provide nutritious food to the beneficiaries is the nutrition garden. It was suggested to fence this garden specially to protect it from the clutches of cows and cattle. As a result, strong fences were built around the garden. By cultivating many kinds of vegetables in that garden, the beneficiaries could profit by eating the vegetables and selling the leftover vegetables.
ना सर पानी जतल को आई नथिला हम किछि काम कर नथिलो इसारा पानी दबारो हम एडी फल बगीचा करछु।
The favorite food of the tribes was the tuber crop. That's why they were provided with large quantities of sweet potato seeds. The farmers took it and planted it in their land. Nurseries have been established by ISARA to provide better saplings to the beneficiaries. Various saplings have been supplied to the farmers through these nurseries. On behalf of Isara, the beneficiaries were taught how to produce fertilizers and pesticides organically at low cost using local resources. By implementing this, the beneficiaries can eat poison-free food and the environment can also be protected.
ଆମେ ଆଗରୁ ବଜାରରୁ ଆଣିକି ସାର ପକାଉଥିଲୁ ବହୁତ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେଲା ଇସାରା ରୁଆ ହେଇକି ନିମନ୍ତ୍ରଣ ଶିଖେଇଲେ ଗଛରେ ପକେଇଲେ ଭଲ ପଡୁଛି ପୋକ ଲାଗୁନି ଖାଇବାକୁ ବି ସ୍ୱାଦ ଲାଗୁଛି
Exposure visits to the beneficiaries were organized by Isara to enhance the knowledge and skills of farming in improved farming systems. This helped them to improve their knowledge of agricultural science. All these measures have gradually alleviated the suffering of the people of this region and their self-confidence has increased. They have forgotten the sorrows of the past and are happily busy today.